In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new product or service to QuickBooks Online, guiding you through the essential steps to effortlessly keep your inventory and services up to date. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks Online or are seeking to streamline your product management, this tutorial will provide you with everything you need to know. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser, whether it's Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other of your choice, and head over to the QuickBooks website at quickbooks.intuit.com. Once you're there, sign in using your existing account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up to proceed. After logging in, turn your attention to the navigation menu on the left side of the page. Here, you'll want to click on Sales, followed by Products and Services. This section is where you'll manage everything related to the items you offer, be it products you sell or services you provide. Now, let's move to adding your new product or service. Look for the New button at the top right corner of the page and give it a click. This action will open up options to choose the type of item you're adding. Are you managing physical goods and need to track your stock levels? In that case, choose Inventory. If you sell products but do not track quantities, select Non-Inventory. For services you offer, naturally choose Service. And if you're bundling several products or services to sell together, Bundle is the option you'd select. Next comes a step where you'll fill in the specific details of your product or service. Begin by entering a meaningful name that helps you and your customers easily identify the item. If you have a SKU or product code, enter it as well. While this part is optional, it can be incredibly helpful for tracking and managing items effectively. Additionally, if you'd like to organize products into groups, you can assign them a category. Providing a clear description is beneficial, as this text will appear on invoices, offering customers insight into what they're purchasing. You'll also need to set the sales price or rate for this product or service. It's important to select the correct income account where sales will be recorded, which is usually sales of product income. If you're adding an inventory item, don't forget to note the quantity you currently have on hand and the date for the stock level. Finally, include the cost and expense account if you're tracking the cost of goods sold, as this can help in understanding your profit margins. Once you've entered all the necessary details, it's time to finalize the process. Click on either Save and Close if you're done, or Save anew if you wish to continue adding more products or services. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your products and services in QuickBooks Online, ensuring your business records are accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.